MG Motor has finally taken the wraps off its latest SUV, the MG1, which the brand claims showcases its new architecture and design language. The MG1 is based on the brand's new Sigma architecture, which is an all-in-one modular design platform, and will further the company's design and technological prowess. MG has always been upfront in implying and implementing powerful technology. The pioneering automaker has been capable of employing advanced electric architecture and best-in-class software technology to entertain and keep people connected while on the move, as connectivity is the key to the future. The MG1 is likely to get a 1.5-liter petrol engine which will be turbocharged. News is that the engine will be paired with a 6-speed manual and a dual-clutch automatic gearbox. The engine is likely to make around 170 to 180 bhp and 250 to 260 Nm of torque. Leaked data suggests that in typical MG fashion, the MG1 will be loaded with features and technology as well. The SUV is likely to go on sale globally by the end of this year, and we may see it coming to India later in 2022. If it does come to India, it will go up against the Kia Seltos, Hyundai Creta and other compact SUVs in the country. For more updates, please subscribe to check on road price.